life venture. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Rivers State, Dr. Mrs. Paliboha Rebanigo, Distinguished Service Star of Rivers State. Your Excellency, the Chairman of the most powerful and potent party in Africa, Ambassador Desmond Akao. Please permit me to adopt the protocols as already established by the compere. Your Excellency, once again, I want to welcome you to Emohua local government area. And Your Excellency, I want to inform you that just yesterday, I added another year to my life, and that this is the first birthday gift, apart from the one given to me by my wife. This is the first birthday gift I'm receiving, and this means a whole lot to me. Your Excellency, you are here to flag off the Odido Road. Like His Royal Majesty has said, there are lots of things to be learned here today. Odido, by descent, are from Ahoda West. They are a community from Ahoda West who migrated to join us in this part of the area. And that is why I have christened my brother, the chairman of Ahoda West, Honorable Hope Uduluma Ikiriko, as my co-host. But geographically, they are situated in Emohua local government. And Your Excellency, this community is very dear to me, because for the first time in centuries, on the 25th of December, my car became the first car to drive into this community. About Meganio, Odido Meganio, oh, Joe. And Your Excellency, I couldn't hold back tears. But I tried not to cry again, because the one I cried the last time made a whole lot of stories. And Your Excellency, even today, I will try not to cry, but to thank you. I want to inform Your Excellency that the Odido community is an archipelago. An archipelago in the sense that it is an island surrounded by water. It only takes a man like you to do what you are doing here today. Because the Odido community do not have oil wells that people can say, oh, maybe it is because of the oil wells that they have. They have nothing other than the fact that they are rivers people. Your Excellency, most people will say that most places do not deserve roads. You are not that kind of politician who knows what community deserve roads and which one do not deserve road. And we want to thank you for making it known to the world that Akpako people actually deserve road, from Elele and from Obudioga, that we deserve road. And we want to thank you for this. And we will continue to support you. We will continue to pray for you. Your Excellency, one would ask, if Odido community had no road before now, how have they been coming out? How have they been coming out from their community? Your Excellency, the closest that Odido people can come out from is a community known as Obukage community in the Oba Ebe Mandoni local government area. Your Excellency, they have to use canoe to ferry them across. And the children, this community do not have any facility. The first ever government presence in this community is this road that Your Excellency is constructing. They have no, of course I wouldn't tell you, if this is the first government presence, it means therefore that they have no road, no school, no health center, no light, no nothing. If there's any English like that. So Your Excellency, you have discovered a new town. You have discovered you are the progenitor of the Odido community. And the people are here to tell you how happy they are. You are not a governor to know which place doesn't deserve any amenity or which road to pass through to go and look for women. Your Excellency, this community, we will not use it to look for women. We will use it to ferry across our agricultural produce. We will not use this community to go and look for girlfriends and women friends. We will use it for the overall good of the people. Your Excellency, I do not want to join issues with anybody. But we want to tell you today that the Akpako people are not betrayers. The Akpako people are serious-minded people. The Akpako people know when the game is up. And we want to join everybody to know that the game is up. No other political party exists in Rivers State. All this noise here and there are things that happen in electioneering periods. By the time we will go to the polls, it will be visible to the blind and it will be audible to the deaf. Your Excellency, we shall pay you back with our votes. I wonder what anybody will tell Odido community, that there have not been governors in Rivers State. Is that what they will tell them? But that they know a governor by the name Ezewo Nyesom Wike. Your Excellency, I do not want to bear you with Michael Silas Cicero because I'm not one, other than to tell you, welcome. And we will continue to pray for you, and we will do whatever you ask us to do, because we know that it will be in our own overall benefit.